Good morning, guys. We're at Curry's. They do click and collect. You order online and then you come round to their car park and sit in these parking bays, and you go online on your phone, fill in the details, and they come and put a television in the back of your car for you. You don't even touch it. The only thing I will say is the system they use for registering. You have to have your email open on your phone. You click on the button and then you have to fill in the details, like the order number and that. It doesn't automatically pre-fill the fields for you. So if you haven't written down the order number, you've got to keep going backwards and forwards to get the details, which I found very annoying. I happily sat here and started going through the system, and I had to cancel it 3 times because I had to keep going back and getting the order number. When I read through it first, I thought you just needed the last 4 digits, but you needed the full order number. So I cut and pasted it. But when I cut and pasted it, it only cut and pasted the numbers and not the letters at the beginning. So I had to go back again. So a bit frustrating, but it all worked once I've done it. So if I was going to do it again, I'd know what I was doing. So fair play, Curry's. That worked. I'll go and shut the boot door now. I hope that's what my wife wants. Well, hopefully I'm making my wife happy. This is the TV from the front room. I've now brought that upstairs to the bedroom to replace the one that's lost its screen. So that looks like it's finding some channels on there. Had a bit of a panic first of all because I couldn't remember how to set it up for digital TV, because that's all we've got upstairs. It's just running off an aerial. Downstairs we're on Virgin broadband, or Virgin box anyway.
Because players are so
well,
fatigued.
looks like we have TV
not having a pre-season, having to play every
in the bedroom.
days, constantly. Champions League,
So,
internationals.
job done for now. I should still see if I can fix the other one. Well, guys, early for me. We're at Curry's, or at least we're outside Curry's. They do click and collect, and you sit in the car park and you use their app, and they come and put a camera in the back of your camera. Start that all again. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.